Hello, my name is Yvonne Chen. I am the manager of quality team. I've been with Ambiq for 4 years.
My name is Charles Jiang, Senior Director of Operations in Taiwan. I have been in Ambiq for more than 5 years.
Hi, my name is Jeremy, and I am the Taiwan validation team manager. And I joined Ambiq 3 years ago.
Hello, I'm Christine. I'm the representing of Ambiq, the youngest generation of Ambiqer. I have been joining Ambiq as a production planner, and as of today, I've been with Ambiq for 1 year and 3 months and 5 days.
I'm Ethan Tsai, Director of Product and Testing Engineering in Ambiq, Taiwan, in charge of the new product introduction. I have worked at Ambiq for 3 years.
I love Ambiq because I really enjoy working with all of the talented people at the company. I feel Ambiq is like a big family with a very good working atmosphere and having proactive colleagues from each department.
What I like Ambiq the most is the good working atmosphere with colleagues and the teamwork from different departments. In particular, I like the passion that our employees show during their work.
Ambiq is usually trying to apply the latest technology in our product. Ambiq is the only one who is willing to spend a lot of time, a lot of resource to make it happen in our product. And I think that's the part that I like Ambiq the most.
Ambiq is an innovative and practice company to make the concept and the business come true.
I love the people and the working environment here. The colleagues are very brilliant and they are being very supportive for our back. And that's why we have a very collaborative and helpful culture. Moreover, I love my job details, co-working with the OSAT and the fellows through America and Singapore and China.